Hello everybody, my name is Dayang Minh Quat. For today's video, let's have our daily edition one done with our work plan. So as usual, it was like a normal week like usual, and we've learned a lot of interesting informations. And so on the meeting, we've discussed the works, and also Miss Cass have sent us the questions that we need to be able to answer in our daily edition 3. So for now, I'm going to be grouping them up and coming up with a plan for my work this week. First, on daily edition 2, it is a free topic video, which we've all decided. But the topic should be related to our main work, which is about pie chart, which I'm going to be reviewing later. So for our daily edition 2, I'm just planning on discussing about the topic of how to use graphs and charts in daily situations. I believe that this will not just be in the same topic with our main work, but still I think it's going to help us a lot in our daily life work. So how will I come up with this video? Is that first I'm going to look through the document, which is the 33 pages that Ms. Price have sent in on about statistics and all, so that I could got the sense of the different kinds of charts, how to use it, and how to represent, how to visualize it, so that I got a clearer look into them. So next, I could got those informations, draw them on the board, and then I'm going to have an example and using all of those so that I could show on how to use those in daily situations. So for my daily edition 3, it is about answering questions from Ms. Pratt. And so the basic 3 questions that was told was that first, why should we use pie charts in handling data? What does it help us? How does it improve our efficiency level, etc.? Next, how can we actually draw these pie charts? So we go through the parts of analyzing data, then showing out it into percentage, into numbers, then convert them into different slices, etc. So I'm going to use a protractor so that I could represent out how to actually handle with a real pie chart on the board. And so I will later show clearly into my work. And for part 3, it is about the tools that we could use for handling data. So it could be different kinds of tools, such as the tools to draw some of these different graphs or these different data visualizations. And also we could focus on tools such as things that we could use to check if the data is correct or not, etc. And so for my main work, it is about pie chart. And as usual, we will focus on our main work with the format of writing. And for our essay, we're going to be aiming on 7 months IELTS writing on task 2. So I'm going to draw out an outline for my work and not just showing out the paragraphs, the bodies, etc. I'm going to show out the main ideas that I need to focus on. And so also, I need to prioritize my vocabularies, my sentence structures, and also the way I connect different paragraphs or connect the topics together so that I could make my work flow smoothly and easier to understand by the viewers. So that is my main focus on the main work. And so what are we going to be discussing on the main work is that first is definition, what pie chart is, and also I need to look at why pie charts, why does it help us so much? Why does it help us with so much things like handling data, etc. So why? Also I need to focus on how do I actually draw it? How do I actually visualize? How do I convert it from these different kinds of pie charts to different kinds of graphs, or to convert it from graphs to pie charts? So Also, I need to look at how do we actually have a set of data and then convert it into a pie chart. And lastly, on what? What is it actually being used in? Like in what fields, in what situations, or in what circumstances? So I'm going to be showing it all onto my main work. And I will need to answer all these questions so that I can ensure my work is full and correct. So thank you so much for listening to my video about my working plan for this week, which have totally two videos and one writing. First is our daily edition 2, daily edition 3, and main work. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.